Welcome to this algebra lesson on parallel lines. Today, we are going to understand exactly what makes two lines parallel, focusing on the rule, same slope, different intercepts. First, let's visualize what we mean. Parallel lines are lines on a flat plane that never meet, no matter how far you extend them. Think of them like railroad tracks. They stay the same distance apart forever. They point in the exact same direction. To understand this mathematically, we look at the slope-intercept form of a linear equation. Y equals mx plus b here, the variable m represents the slope or steepness of the line. The variable b represents the y-intercept, which is where the line crosses the vertical y-axis. The most important rule for parallel lines lies in the slope. For two lines to be parallel, their slopes must be exactly equal. If we call the slope of the first line m1 and the slope of the second line m2, then m1 must equal m2. However, there is a second condition that is often overlooked. The lines must be distinct, meaning they must cross the y-axis at different places. Therefore, b1 must not equal b2. If the slopes are the same and the intercepts are also the same, you are actually looking at the exact same line, not two parallel lines. Let's look at a concrete example. Here we have two equations, y equals 2x plus 1 and y equals 2x minus 3. Notice that both have a slope of 2. This means they rise at the same rate. However, one starts at positive 1 on the y-axis and the other at negative 3. Because the slopes are equal and intercepts are different, they are parallel. This rule works for negative slopes too. Consider y equals negative 0.5x plus 3 and y equals negative 0.5x. Both have a downward slope of negative 0.5. Even though the second equation doesn't show a plus number at the end, its intercept is 0. They are perfectly parallel. When you are asked to identify parallel lines, just compare the numbers. On the left, y equals 4x minus 2 and y equals 4x plus 9 are parallel because 4 equals 4. On the right, y equals 2x plus 1 and y equals 3x plus 1 are not parallel because 2 does not equal 3. The steepness is different, so they will eventually cross. To summarize, slope determines direction. If the slopes are equal, the lines are parallel. Always check that the y-intercepts are different to ensure they are distinct lines. Remember the formula y equals mx plus b and always inspect the m value first. Thank you for watching this overview of parallel lines. You now have the tools to identify them instantly by looking at their equations. Practice spotting matching slopes in your next algebra assignment.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.